Good morning, students. Today we discuss about grammar. So this is one of the part in English. So welcome to English grammar class. The grammar title determiners. Determiners generally we discuss about basic article class, particularly 7th standard, 8th standard, 10th, 11th, 12th. So the determiners is basically using for the descriptive nouns. So types of determinants. What are the types? Determiners. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. A group of words with a noun as its main part. They all come to the beginning of noun phrases, and usually we cannot use more than one determiner in the same noun phrase. So it is refer to the noun. The determiners particularly refer to the noun. So examples of noun. My pen. The first example, my pen. Second, this ceremony. Third one, a Coca-Cola can. Fourth one, any question. Fifth one, that jar. Sixth one, a lot of food. Sixth one, a disappointed parent. So example of determiners. The, an, a, this. One, my, your, a little, which, other, those, most. These are the examples. So let's take these examples. The grade 7 extras was awarded as the most disciplined section of the month. That man in blue shirt is my brother. That man in blue shirt is my brother. So classes of determiners. What are the determiner classes? There are 8 classes of determiners. Articles. First, articles. So articles, there is 2 types, definite and indefinite. Second, demonstratives. Third, quantifiers. Fourth, possessives. Fifth one, numbers. So numbers also 2 types, cardinal and ordinal. Sixth one, distributes or indefinite pronouns. Seventh one, question words or relative pronoun. Articles, so definite and indefinite. Articles a and the. The indefinite articles a or an signal that the reference is non-specific or general. The definite article the signals that the reference is specific. Definite and indefinite articles the, a, an. Example, the visitor are coming. A box of chocolate was eaten by Lance. Demonstratives. Singular, this, that. Plural, these, those. Showing who or what is being referred to. So examples, this pair of shoes is mine. I think that the girl is their leader. Quantifiers. Few, little, much, many, most, a lot of, some, other, any, enough, more, such. Used with a noun to show the amount of something. Examples, some students are not in their proper uniform. Some students are not in their proper uniform. Most students and teachers are staying at the library. Most students and teachers are staying at the library. Possessives. What are the possessives? My, your, his, her, its, our, their. A form of a word that shows that something or someone belongs to someone. Examples, my brother John will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. I will show you our new pet. Cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. So this one numbers. So cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. What is mean by cardinal numbers? Used in simple counting and shows quantity. So used in simple counting and shows the quantity. 1, 2, 3, 4 examples. So next one, the two dogs are barking outside. Examples, first one. Second examples, 30 Illusions leaders attended the seminar. Ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers used to show the position of someone or something in series. First, last, 50, 20. So these are the ordinal numbers. So example for ordinal numbers. Luffy defeated the first commander in Blackbeard Pirates. Distributes. So a word referring singly without exception to the member of a group. Both, half, either, neither, each, every, all. Examples. Every human being is unique. So all grade 7 students are industrious. Question words are relative pronouns. So what are the question words? Whose, which, what, whatever. Examples. Kit is the guy whose mother. There is one example for whose question word. Here using the question word. So Kit is the guy whose mother is the famous singer. The another example, he does not know what he is saying. So these are the determiners. Thanks to all.